Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Etrade account step by step. Complete the online application with your personal details and follow prompts to verify identity immediately. Use a secure connection and prepare your SSN, ID, and bank routing number. Choose account type that matches investing goals. Expect identity checks and a short waiting period for approval and funding. I will guide you through each screen so you can finish confidently. Start by entering your legal name, address, birth date, and social security number on the application form. Continue by answering employment, income, and net worth questions truthfully for account suitability. Select account preferences like margin or options only if you understand the risks. Carefully read agreements and e-sign disclosures, including tax forms such as Form 1099 selection. Confirm everything before submitting to prevent hold. After approval, link your bank using the routing and account numbers to initiate an ACH transfer or choose a wire for faster funding. Decide how much to deposit initially based on your strategy and any minimums. Enable two-factor authentication and review security settings like device approvals and alerts. Record confirmation numbers and check that your brokerage profile shows the deposit. This helps prevent surprises and keeps your money ready to invest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.